Good day everyone. Today I will discuss edible foods and bioplastics. Their classification, characteristics, and examples. These materials are very important because they help reduce plastic waste and makaprotect sa ato ang environment. So, ano today ay ang edible foods? Miss Sarah?
Edible films, just what they said earlier, nakakausudya. Thin layers na mahabog.
Yes, thank you. We will answer Miss Sarah. So, thin layers made from natural materials that can be eaten together with food or used as food packaging. Their main purpose is to protect sa food, keep it fresh, and reduce the use of plastic packaging. Please read, everyone.
At the end of the lesson, the learners will be able to identify the different types of edible films and bioplastics, differentiate polysaccharide-based, lipid-based, and composite edible films, as well as bio-based, biodegradable, and compostable bioplastics. Appreciate the importance of environmentally friendly packaging through
Active participation in classroom activities.
Thank you. So, polysaccharide is these edible foods are made from carbohydrates or plant-based polymers. They provide good barriers against oxygen and are commonly used for fruits, vegetables, and meat products. So, dali ang natural sa carbohydrates, sample ka ng mga starch, cellulose, pectin, and glucose. So these foods are useful because makaprotect sa food from oxygen, which helps prevent spoilage. So ang characteristic niya is ang good oxygen barrier, transparent and flexible, biodegradable and edible. So example, matumiinom ng mga starch clones, kanang mga corn, cassava, potato, starch o banana. Tapos, cellulose films and alginate comes from seaweed and chitosan comes from crustacean shells. So, ang common use na ginagamit natin is mga fruit coating, vegetable packaging, o candy wrappers. So, kaduha is ang liquid-based edible films. So, kanila are fats, oil, and wax. They are effective in preventing moisture loss from food
Atubang daw.
products.
Atubang.
So, their main function is to prevent water loss from food, which helps maintain freshness. Characteristic niya is ang good moisture barrier, greasy and waxy texture, and is flexible than polysaccharide films. So, example ani is ang beeswax coating, paraffin wax, fatty acid films, and vegetable oil-based coating. So, sa dalang ginagamit siya sa coating fruits like apples and citrus. So, cheese preservation, bakery products, other food products. So, for example, starch and wax coating can protect food from both oxygen and moisture. So, this is commonly used with packaging to maintain some freshness. Next is ang composite edible foods. So, foods combine two or more materials such as polysaccharides, proteins, or lipids to improve film performance. Characteristic niya is ang balanced moisture and oxygen barrier, stronger and more flexible, improved stability. Example, ang starch-based wax films and protein plus lipid films and the chitosan plus gelatin films. So, common use, meat packaging, dairy products, and processed foods. So, magkabda naman siya no. Types of bioplastic. They are made from friendly plastic made from renewable resources or materials that can naturally decompose. these resources na made from renewable plant materials. Naturally, composition breaks down naturally and returns to the environment. So, mahibalit ka maghihapon siya sa paano. Then, ang renewable raw materials sourced from crops like sugarcane and others. So, environmentally friendly, makareduce sa dependence on fossil fuels and renewable sources made from resources that can be replenished. Then, biodegradable is can naturally break down under the right condition. So, another example, kana ang sa paaniya, cornstarch, plastic indispensables, comforts, and food containers. Number 1, value-based bioplastics. So these are made partly or entirely from renewable biological resources such as corn, sugarcane, or cassava. Characteristic niya, made from plants, renewable and environment friendly. Bukan starch-based plastic. Common use niya is ang bottles, packaging materials, and shopping bags. So of course, mga contribute sa lower carbon footprint, support sustainability better for the planet. Then second is biodegradable bioplastic. So is can be broken down naturally by microorganisms into water, carbon dioxide, and biomass. So key characteristics niya, environmentally friendly, lower environmental impact, decompose under natural conditions, broken down by microorganisms. So reduce plastic waste, helps minimize pollution. Then, example niya is morning nasa polylactic acid, then PHA is starch-based bioplastic. Common uses niya is ang food containers, disposal, utensil, and agricultural products. Third is compostable bioplastic. These are plastic that can break down into compost under proper composting conditions. They leave no harmful waste behind. So, characteristic niya, decompose in compost system breakdown completely in industrial or home composting facilities. Leave no harmful, safe for soil, plants, and the environment. Support organic waste management, help create nutrient-rich compost. Example is morning nasa po compostable PLA product, then compostable starch plastic. Common uses niya is compost bag, food packaging, disposal cups, and plates. So, mo niya ang iyang common example sa bioplastic. So, kita din natin sa plastic ang nucleic acid ang PHA o kani ang makita mo din ang sa plastic ang iyang source pagdikan sa cornstarch, sugarcane o microorganisms same ang PHA and the corn cassava mo dito. So, sugarcane, ethanol. Main features na biodegradable, and compostable. Then, ang common use niya sa makita naman nila ng cups, food, containers, medical products, packaging, bags, wrappers, and bottles of food. So, what are renewable fuels and bioplastic? Important. Important siya kay makareduce sa plastic pollution, protect the environment, support sustainable packaging, and help reduce food and packaging waste. So, example na sa mga restaurant dito na ginagamit ang compostable para sa food containers instead na plastic containers. So, kani makalista sa plastic waste will end up in landfill. So, first conclusion, edible films and bioplastic are excellent alternatives to traditional plastic. Edible films help preserve food while bioplastic makaprovide siya of eco-friendly packaging solution. So by using these products, we can reduce pollution and help create a cleaner and healthier environment. So that's all, and thank you for listening.